Hi, I'm Brittany Marshall, owner of House of Blonde. I get asked all the time by stylists what they can do to get better at creating that signature blonde bombshell look. I've been a stylist for 12 years, 10 of those years being a blonde specialist. When I first started doing hair, I worked at a prestigious salon in Fort Worth. I was a new stylist. I was doing mainly blondes because I was a blonde, so I felt like people just came to me asking for blondes. This doesn't mean you have to be a blonde to do blondes. But anyways, so I mastered this skill working there, getting all the blonde walk-ins, and then some of the stylists would ask me, what am I doing? So I built this course with all of the resources to help you. I used to struggle in getting the right blonde, but then after I really came down and tried to learn the correct way to do all the blonding exclusively for 10 years and mastered the technique, I've now made this resource for you so you don't have to mess up anymore and you can get your client leaving happy with the blonde hair that they came in for. After you learn these skills, your client is going to leave with what she wanted. Everyone is going to see her and want to go where she went, and you, my friend, have created a walking billboard for your business. Even more so, when you have delivered exactly what she wanted, she will stick around. She won't ever leave. While we're learning technical skills today, make no mistake, this is also a retention plan. Enjoy the course.